morning, grade 2s. Today is Thursday, and we are going to keep going with money. But instead of adding money today, we're going to talk about subtracting or taking away. So maybe we're going to go to the store and we're going to spend some money, and we're going to determine how much we would have left. So I have an amount up here. I have 2 toonies, 2 quarters, and a nickel, which gives me 2, 4, and 2 quarters, 55. So I'm going to have $4.55, and I want to subtract 2 loonies. So I'm going to spend $2. Okay? So we can look at this and say, well, I start with $4. Okay, so we can talk about how I start with $4, and I'm going to take away 2 of my dollars. So I have 4, I take away 2. How many do I have left? I have $2. And did I take any cents away? Nope. So I'm going to keep my 55 cents. What about this one? If I do $6.25, and this time I want to take away $3. So I start with my $6, and I'm going to take away my $3. How many would I have left? I would have $3, right? 6 take away 3, and my cent stays the same. And I would have 25 cents. Okay? Now, let's go back to my $4 here. So I'm going to have my $4 instead of 55 cents. I'm going to add a dime, which is going to give me 65. So I'm going to have $4.65. Okay? And this time, I want to take away 20 cents. Okay? Now, to help to get us to see this a little bit easier, I'm going to trade in my quarter for 2 dimes and a nickel. Okay? So I have $4.65. Now, if I want to take away 20 cents, I think of it as taking away 2 tens, 2 dimes. Okay? I'm not taking away any dollars, so my 4 stays the same. And then I'm doing 65 take away 20. So 6 take away 2 leaves me with 4 tens, right? 4 and 5 take away 0 is 5. So you can even underline and mark these as you need to for your tens and your ones. Okay, so I'm thinking of my 6 tens, take away 2 of them, gives me 4. 5 ones, take away 0 ones equals my 5. Okay, and let's do another one here. Let's do $1.75, take away 15 cents. Well, I'm not taking away any dollars, so I can write my $1, but I am going to do 75 take away 15. Well, let's start with the tens. I have 7 tens, and if I take 1 10 away, I'm going to have 6 tens left. Then I'm going to do 5 ones, and I'm going to take away 5 ones. So then I'd have 0 ones left. So my answer would be $1.60. Okay, do you see how you do that? So dollars, and then we can also take away cents by using our counting up by tens or back by tens. Okay, as we subtract, we go back by tens or back by fives. Now, what would happen if I have my 2 toonies? Okay, so I'm going to take everything else away, and I'm just going to have my 2 toonies here. Okay, so if I have $4, okay, but I buy something and it costs me 65 cents. Okay, how could I find out how much money I have left? If I pay with my 2 toonies and it's only 65 cents, how much would I have left? Well, we can think of this 4 as $3 and then $1, which we know is 100. So we can think of 100 take away our 65, right? So you can think of taking away our 6 tens and our 5, we're thinking what number goes with 65 to make 100? Well, 5 more would get me 70. And then count by tens, 80, 90, 100. So it'd be 35. Okay? Would be my cents. So 100 take away 65 is 35. Plus over here, I still have my $3 that I haven't used. So it'd be $3 and, whoops, my toonie fell down. $3.35. Okay? So remember that you can think of $1 as 100. And then that will help you when you are doing your subtraction, that you can write that out. Okay? So for today's work, you're going to do exercise 35, which is just one page here. And it's going to talk about taking away some dollars. It's going to talk about taking away some cents. And then you're going to do questions like we just did where we have $4 and we take away 80 cents. Okay, so you can count back 80, or you can think of it as, break it up, $3 and a $1. Okay, and then do the 100 take away 80. That might help you a little bit more to do those questions. Okay, so you can do that, and we will see you tomorrow.